Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi enhances your home network with mesh Wi-Fi pods and security features. First, physically install your Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router by connecting it to your modem. Next, strategically place your Wi-Fi pods. A good starting point is one pod for every 2,000 square feet. Use the My Spectrum app to test signal strength as you move the pods around your home. The app will guide you to optimal locations to ensure seamless coverage. After physically installing the router and pods, download and open the My Spectrum app. Scan the QR code on the router to pair your devices with the network. The app will then guide you through enabling Wi-Fi 6/7 bands for backward compatibility. Finally, the pods will automatically connect, forming a mesh network. They use either an Ethernet backhaul or wireless hopping to extend coverage. Firmware updates are automatic, ensuring consistent performance. Place the pods according to the app's signal strength indicator. Once your network is set up, activate Security Shield via the My Spectrum app. This feature, powered by Bitdefender, includes antivirus, firewall, and parental controls to protect against online threats. Enable Security Shield to proactively protect against a wide range of online threats, including viruses, malware, and unauthorized access. To optimize your network, run the speed test within the app. The app will provide recommendations for improving performance. The app offers quality of service settings to prioritize bandwidth for activities like gaming or video streaming. Configure device prioritization to ensure critical devices receive optimal bandwidth. Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi uses the EasyMesh protocol for seamless roaming and WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. Network signal improves with optimization. Watch as the bars grow stronger. By following these steps, you'll establish a robust and secure home network, optimized for all your devices and online activities.